Welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. My name is Chris, bringing it to you here from Westlake Village, California. It's bright, it's early, it is Monday afternoon. Tuesday afternoon? Is it Monday or is it Tuesday? It is a bit of a Monday. Bitcoin's on a bit of a tear here, and I'm going to give it a real simple outlook here as we've been discussing over the past couple of weeks. We believe we're in a bit of a Wyckoff accumulation schematic at the top of the range, which is kind of the opposite of what that one looks like. But either way, they are drawn out the same. In a sense, you have the spring, you have the little check right in the middle at the 50% retracement, and this is your sign of strength. And so can we match that up with what we're looking at right now? I would say this is that sign of strength. And, you know, if you are feeling a bit late to the party, what can often happen? Again, there's more liquidity up here at 73, call it 73,500. We can have an SOS phase up there, but essentially as long as we are above this last low at 60,500, call it 65,000 bucks, you're going to expect continuation to the upside, right? It's in uptrend. Price is now making higher highs and higher lows. So the question becomes, where do you want to enter if you are sitting with some dry capital on the side? Now, conservative entries, you're going to wait for the break and the retest. What is the breakout? The breakout retest is going to look something like this. So if you are conservative, you always wait for the retest to validate the move. So you break out, retest, make a higher low somewhere in this zone, right? So whether you're buying here at 70,500 or 71,500 probably doesn't matter too much. What matters is you get the confirmation that this rally is real, and we're not going to get a throwback to where you would have basically a deviation at the top side of the range where price breaks out, breaks back in, makes a lower high, and bang. That would be your best case scenario if you are looking to grab some more coins. Do I think that's the case? Unfortunately, at the moment, I don't think so. I do, you have to remain with the bullish bias here, call it like it is, and the 5-day time frame is beginning to, start to accelerate here, and all we really want to see is volatility begin to lift off here on the 5-day time frame. Let's get the right chart up here. My beautiful chart with my beautiful colors and my candles, and volatility is lifting off above 25%. Momentum is to the upside. And another chance for the bulls or the bears or whoever you are out there. If you are watching this, make sure you like the channel and smash the like button and make a comment, do something below to show that you're here. Okay. So back on, we did break the downtrend. We made the higher low. The RSI is now coming back to the bullish control zone, and on the first pass, you typically see a rejection. So that could potentially be your next major buying opportunity. The other thing to note, credit to Mr. Crown on this one, is that likely we are going to reconnect with the 5 exponential moving average on this 5-day time frame on the next closure, and that could also be your next major buying opportunity. So what is the 5 exponential and why is it important? Price likes to stay close to the 5. So what I'm going to do is flip this over here, and I'm going to change the 9 to a 5. So essentially the bright blue is now going to be a 5. So where's the 5 exponential lining up with? Well, so that means on the next closure in the next 3 days, potentially, you're going to get a reconnect with that 5 exponential. It does not stay away from it for very long. And if this rally is real, you would maintain that, this trend would hold true and to the upside. And momentum would stay, crossed up. So 63,500, we're a long ways away from there for momentum to cross back to the downside. We are reapproaching the highs, and so it is, kind of, tough market to call right now. And I know a lot of people that are going to be shorting from 73.7 because they got to, hedge their bets. So I don't know anybody looking to short right now, but potentially that could definitely give it a little light to the upside. Wow, beautiful trades just playing out over and over and over. I like it. Solana been very strong. Ooh, MOG. The MOG bot. Let's check in on the MOG bot and see what Mr. MOG has been doing here today. MOG, the 30-minute MOG bot. In and out. Up only 1% for the month of October, but I imagine that is about to change the last few months. 18, 25, 33. We've got 3 days left, and something you should know, October is considered one of the most bullish months for crypto. CoinGlass, super interesting stuff on this website. I should probably make it nighttime version for my eyes. But what I was going to bring up here on Mr. CoinGlass, Bitcoin dominance, interesting. We should check in on that as well. Market cap, dominance. That's the Bitcoin price. There's the top 10. This is what I was looking for. There's so much data here, so much stuff. Do we want the visual screener? Historical volume, Bitcoin dominance, and exchange balances, open interest. We are not just looking for the liquidation heat map. Oh, that's what I was looking for, is the Ethereum, not the Ethereum, although I am interested in this. Cumulative liquidation leverage. Binance has the most activity. Okay. Ethereum, open interest. I was looking for the average return per, and I don't think it's going to give it to me. I don't think it's going to give it to me today. Today was not the day, guys. The golden ratio multiplier. So many indicators, so much fun stuff in Bitcoin land. Back on to Mr. MOG. Mr. MOG is heating up here. If only it would have sold 75% of the position there. Let's check on another one. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. OM on Bybit. I'm really liking this one, guys. This one is, well, it did just pump out a loser. That's okay. But up 6% for the month of October and really just took some nasty losses. So I'm going to imagine that we get a little bit of a turnaround Tuesday on this one. Oh, guys, Solana's doing so good. How's Casper doing? Casper's been pretty weak sauce. Sundog just had a big doggy dog to the upside. Theta looking good. Let's see if I can get the correct chart. Ooh, Theta. Might want to keep an eye on that one. Theta, it's been a long time, guys. It's been a while. Oh, it broke out. All right, guys, that means I got to go. Have yourself a blessed and highly favored day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.